Welcome back, Ninja Muhammad with another Tronsmart speaker review. Today we have the Bang, the normal version. Just a few weeks ago I tested the Bang Max, super powerful 130 watts Tronsmart speaker. This one is a 60 watts mini speaker, around 3.5 kilo heavy, guys, with the RGB lights front and the back, app support, EQ obviously, modification, customization, RGB lights customization with the app. We have SD card support, USB-A support, 3.5mm headphone jack support, IP60. Basically, it's a waterproof speaker, so you can even use it outdoors while camping, on the beach, etc, etc. I hope you're going to enjoy this review. The buying links will be in the description. Let's begin with this one. Enjoy!
Today we are diving into the world of powerful sound with the Tronsmart Bang speaker. But before we crank up the tunes, let's unbox this bad boy and see what is inside. You will find the speaker, meticulously protected, along with the charger, audio cable and manuals. Now, let's talk about the hands-on experience. The first impression is all about the raw power. The speaker is a beast, weighing at 3.3 kilos, boasting a stunning design with the RGB lights, and all the ports and buttons are conveniently accessible. With its lightweight structure and a sturdy handle, it's not just a speaker, it's a portable powerhouse. And did I mention its IPX6 waterproof? Perfect for outdoor adventures, poolside vibes and family reunions. The Tronsmart Bang Bluetooth speaker packs a punch with a maximum output power of 60 watts and a 6-driver design, making it perfect for outdoor events. With its subwoofer, 2 tweeters and 2 midwoofers, and passive radiators on each end, you can expect excellent acoustic tuning and rousing highs. Plus, the Sound Pulse Audio Feast technology delivers impactful sound with the punchy mid-bass, perfect for any occasion. One of the coolest features is the built-in dual DSP audio processing, allowing you to synchronize audio across up to 100 Tronsmart speakers. This is ideal for large events and gatherings thanks to the TuneCone technology that ensures high resolution, richer detailed audio streaming and lower distortion. The speaker features 3 modes of lighting: breathing, beats and off, adding a high level of entertainment. Plus, you can customize the EQ using the Tronsmart Companion app, allowing you to tailor the sound to your preferences. With its IPX rating, the speaker is resistant to heavy sprays of water from all directions, making it perfect for outdoor activities like camping, boating trips or beach days. The 10,800 mAh battery provides up to 24 hours of playtime at 20-30% volume and can also be used as a power bank. Charging is quick, taking only 4 hours to fully charge. With the Bluetooth 5.3 connectivity, NFC and multiple input options including USB and microSD card, you have plenty of ways to enjoy your audio world.
Okay guys, this is right now indoor test. My living room, max volume. Another test indoors, let's go. Okay guys, outdoor test right now from minimum to the maximum, let's go. I'm 5 meters away, by the way. Max volume. Okay guys, testing again, closer right now. Check it out. 50%.
Bright and early for the daily race.
That was 100%, guys. Very impressive. Let's go next. Okay guys, now we're gonna do the range test. I'm gonna try to go 20 meters away.
It don't come easy, and I keep on waiting. Get this up.
It went easily 20 meters away, guys. 20 meters away. Let's go next. Okay guys, let's do the range test with this speaker. Let's go. Go. You see, still connected to the phone. Awesome stuff, man. 20 meters away, guys. The speaker is connected to my phone. Impressive results. Okay, range test again, another one. I'm around 8 meters away. bass is amazing, man. Let's go next now. Okay guys, testing right now the speaker in my car. Let's check it out to the max volume. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah.
Crazy. Let's go.
In conclusion, the Tronsmart Bank speaker is a powerhouse of sound and versatility with its robust design. Lightweight, customizable lighting and impressive connectivity options, it's perfect for any occasions. Whether you're hosting a party or enjoying some downtime outdoors, this speaker delivers a premium audio experience. So, if you're looking for a speaker that packs a punch, look no further than the Tronsmart Bank. Get one for yourself with our links below. And until our next tech episode, stay chill and relaxed. Ma'as salam.